principal, vice principal, headmasters, teachers, and all my dear friends. A very warm good morning to all. I am Azwa from LP section. Today I am standing in front of you to say a few words about Moon Day. As we all know, July 20 is celebrated as Moon Day. So I like to say a few words about Moon Day. It celebrates the day when man first walked on the moon and it is marked as National Moon Day. Thank you. Let's see how we celebrate Moon Day in our school.
പേരുണ്ട് പേര് ചൊല്ലിയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ചിരിക്കും